Hey everyone! Today I'm breaking down what a mutual fund is in the simplest way possible. If you're new to investing, don't worry, I've got you covered. So, what exactly is a mutual fund? Think of it like this: it's a big pot of money that collects contributions from many investors. This pot is then managed by professional fund managers who invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. Here's the cool part. Because your money is pooled with others, you get to own a small share of a wide range of investments. This diversification reduces risk because you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Now, why would you want to invest in a mutual fund? For starters, it's super convenient. You don't need to spend hours researching individual stocks or bonds. The fund managers do all the heavy lifting for you. Plus, mutual funds are accessible. You can start investing with a relatively small amount of money. And there are different types of mutual funds to match your specific financial goals, whether you're aiming for growth, income, or a balanced mix. In summary, mutual funds are a great way to get your feet wet in the world of investing. They're managed by pros, offer diversification, and are easy to get started with. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more easy-to-understand finance tips. See you next time.